You think you're funny?
Funnier than your haircut.
Oh, man.
Where'd you hide the loot?
Under your bed.
What?
Next to the pink socks.
What are you doing?
Filing a noise complaint.
Against who?
You. For singing in the shower.
Ha! Oh, that's rich!
Where'd you vanish last night?
Dinner at your mom's. She says hi.
Very funny.
Her lasagna wasn't.
You missed duty again.
I had a date with Justice. She's wild.
Who set this thing? You snore louder than sirens.
Why is there lipstick on your beak?
Undercover work.
Really?
She cracked my case. What can I say? She's good.
Why do you smell like pancakes?
Because your girlfriend likes breakfast in bed.
Polly!
She says hi.
You're kidding me.
Nope. More syrup?
You're unbelievable.
Where'd you stay last night?
At the Ritz. On your credit card.
You what?
Worth every cracker.
Oh, no way!
Heard you flirting again.
Just giving flight lessons in confidence.
Anyone sign up?
Your barista.
Where's your alibi?
She's brushing her feathers.
Unbelievable.
That's what she said.
What?
Half the box is gone.
Evidence was delicious.
That's tampering.
No, tasting.
Stop copying the siren.
I'm helping. Budget.
You're giving me tinnitus.
Free soundtrack, officer.
You didn't come home last night.
Home came to me. She brought snacks.
Why are you holding my handcuffs?
Practicing commitment.
That's not how it works.
Then show me.
Stop flirting over the police radio.
10-4, Officer Handsome.
That's not the code.
It is now.
You were flying over the speed limit.
It's called bird privileges.
License?
Left wing, right wing. Pick one.
Why were you flying past curfew?
Freedom doesn't clock out, officer.
Ha! You got me there.
You skipped roll call again.
I was undercover. In your girlfriend's DMs.
Oh, come on.
Squawk.
Where were you last night?
At your girlfriend's house, feeding her parrot.
She doesn't have a parrot.
She does now.
Did you see who did it?
Depends who's asking.
The law.
Then I plead adorable.
Oh, you're killing me. Did you eat the evidence bag again?
It was emotional support popcorn.
That's not in the report.
Then make a sequel.
You again? What's your excuse this time?
Couldn't resist flying by your station. Your voice is my siren.
Flirting won't save you.
Then cuff me twice.